Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our rebar cutting station, and I'm excited to introduce to you Hilti's NRC 6-22, our brand new dedicated rebar cutter. This tool was designed specifically for concrete contractors who are cutting rebar, maybe in tough to reach places, or building vertical columns. A couple things you'll notice about this tool right away: full face guard for increased safety, an opening here for cutting up to 1 inch or number 8 rebar. With this flush guard, you're going to be able to get up close to different objects, concrete slabs, and you'll be able to get within 3/16 of an inch. Second thing, and I'll pass this around, is our cold cut blades. So this rebar cutter is going to be cold cut, low spark, allowing you to work faster and safer. Last thing here, we've got our speed selector, so we'll be on number 6 today, and this is going to be able to cut number 8 rebar in about 4 seconds. So we'll do a very quick demo for you guys before we get into some other features. Perfect. So it's going to be a relatively low spark solution. A couple of features here that are handy. You've got your Allen key on here. That's going to allow you to change out the blade with this onboard Allen key, also so you don't lose it. The actual guard here, all of these bolts are permanently set in, so you're not going to lose any bolts as you take on and off the guard.
Thank you. Yeah.
And as I mentioned, this is a tool specifically for cutting rebar, but it can also cut threaded rod, and these are all going to be burr-free cuts, so you don't need to grind or polish the rebar with the threaded rod after you cut. Any questions on the tool, or do you guys want to try this out for yourselves?
Let's try it.
There you go.